Good day everyone! Today we're going to demonstrate on how to install these following: the Docker, the ERPNEXT, and the HR module installation. Now we proceed to the first one, the Docker installation. So hello guys, good day. In this video we will install a Docker. First, we need to search a Docker in our search engine and wait for the result. Next, you will see a download button. Click it and wait until it finishes the download. Once it's done, open the file and you will see a configuration, then click OK. You will see the Docker was unpacking files. Wait until it succeeded, then click Close. Next, read the agreement and click the Accept button. Next, choose if you want to sign up or sign in. In our case, we choose to continue without signing in and we answer the welcome survey. At the end of the survey, click the Continue button and you will see the container of the Docker. And that's how we install a Docker. Now we're done installing the Docker. Now we proceed to ERPNEXT installation. In this video, we will teach you how to install ERPNEXT using a Docker. In our case, we already installed it, but we will teach you how to install in your PC or laptop. First step, open the Docker and we will create a new step where we'll be installing our ERPNEXT on a particular step. Step 2, we will download the Docker file for PWD project from GitHub. Next is once the download is completed, go to the File Explorer of your PC or laptop. Once it finished downloading, create a folder and name it Data. Inside of it, create another folder and name it with a Docker. And inside of the Docker folder, create another folder and call it a FRAPE. And inside of the FRAPE folder, insert the PWD file that we downloaded earlier. So now we're going to Windows PowerShell part. Step 5, open your Windows PowerShell. Next is call the folder you created in your File Explorer. Next, call the Docker composed with pwd fpwd.yml up until wait until it finishes. We will back to the Docker and check the containers, images, and volumes. In this part, log in to Frape and set up your account, set up your organization, and generate demo data for exploration. Next, set up your system. Check the volumes on the Docker and you will see the file we created. And that's it! We're done in ERPNEXT using a Docker. Lastly, we're going to know how to install a HR module. Now we're going to install a HR module. First step, in the Docker container, we see the pwd file we created. Then open the Windows PowerShell and call for Docker logs pwd-create-site-1-f. Then call the Docker ps and we will see the data in the container. Execute the front end. Step 5. Call the CD apps. Get the HRMS and wait until it finishes the installation. Next, once it's done, we will back to the Windows PowerShell and call the Docker ps, and we see the files inside the container. Next step, call the container ID of pwd/frontend-1. Next step, in Frape, get the HRMS. Then call the front-end CD. Next, call the front-end list apps. Next step, if the local host is failed to open, go to the container and open the terminal of pwd backend 1 and call the front end list app. And that's how to install a HR module. And that's how to install a HR module. Thank you for watching.